YouTube, it's Nayam Nappy, and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Now this week we are going to talk all about sea moss. Now you guys, y'all know I did this sea moss video right up here, and a lot of you guys had three main questions from that video. Number one was, what are the benefits you're seeing from taking or consuming sea moss in your regimen and in your diet? The second one was how to actually make the sea moss gel. And the third question was to share my smoothie sea moss recipe with you guys and how I've been including it in my regimen. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? So if you guys remember, the reason why I started taking sea moss in my regimen is because I am iron deficient anemic. Now sea moss contains about, well, for every 100 grams contains about 8.9 milligrams of iron, which is quite a bit of iron for that little bit of sea moss. So when I was taking it every single day, I was drinking it in a smoothie, you guys. And what I really noticed is that the middle or the crown of my hair where I was experiencing thinning, and whenever I have iron deficient anemia is the first part that breaks off. I experience thicker hair in the crown of my hair, as well as my nails have been growing insanely long and fast. Additionally, it improved my skin. As you guys know that I have eczema, and it also improved my digestive health. Now you guys remember that sea moss also has so many other benefits. It contains 92 of the 102 minerals that are found in our body. It has other things in addition to the iron like folate, vitamin A, vitamin B vitamins, vitamin C, amino acids. And you guys, right now, as it's on a lot of people's minds, it really helps to boost your immune health. So definitely taking this in your regimen is really, really important. As always, you guys, please speak to your doctor before you begin any new diet changes as well. So I'm going to show you guys today to answer the other two questions you had, how to make a sea moss gel, the actual gel. And then I'm going to share with you guys a sea moss smoothie recipe that is absolutely delicious. All right, so let's get to mixing. So let's begin with the sea moss gel. I'm going to weigh out 2 ounces of sea moss. Next, you want to rinse it under water to remove any dirt and particles, and then cover it fully with water and let it sit for a minimum of 24 hours. After 24 hours, you'll notice that the sea moss has expanded and become hydrated and can easily be separated into smaller pieces to be put into the blender. Go ahead and add about 500 milliliters of water to your sea moss and blend until smooth. Notice the smooth consistency of the sea moss, and go ahead and put it into a mason jar for safekeeping. Now you guys want to make sure you're using a glass jar to store your Irish sea moss. Next, go ahead and set it in the fridge to go ahead and solidify until gel form. Usually this happens within 8 to 10 hours. Okay, y'all, now that we've made our sea moss here, we can go ahead and begin to use this in our regimen. Now, of course, before you guys begin any Ayurvedic regimen, talk to your doctor. I'm going to share with you how I've been using it in my smoothie regimen, and a really simple smoothie recipe for you. So I've been using these fresh berry mix. You can find any one that you have at the store. Sometimes I get the ones that are pre-packaged. This time I didn't happen to. I usually grab whatever's on sale. So I have about maybe a cup and a half here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that into my blender. I'm also gonna go in with my apples and you put them in my blender as well. And I actually only have 1 apple here that I've cut up to add to this mix. That's just the core. I'll be using that later. I also have this acai superfruit pack that I like to add into it. It came with one of these smoothie things, and I have one extra, so I'll be using that today. Now you want to go in with the secret ingredient or the powerful ingredient. And I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon. That was very heaping tablespoon, just FYI. Okay, I'll go ahead and fill with water. Probably add about 2 cups of water into there. And then put my lid on. Okay, now that your mixture is all blended up, go ahead and pour. You can check the sweetness if you like to see if you maybe want to add some honey, agave, or sugar to your mixture. You could drink this in the morning as your morning smoothie, or you can have this at night or as a snack, as a meal. It's a really nutritious treat, and it's a great way to get Irish sea moss in your regimen. So leave down below if you ever tried Irish sea moss, if you've made it, if you used it in your regimen, either using my hair gel or how you'll be using it to consume it in your body to get all of the nutritious benefits. It tastes really good. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, if you want to see more content like this, and leave any recipes down below if you feel like sharing it with any of your YouTube friends. All right, so I'll see you next time for another Tip Tuesday. Bye.